Hi guys, I have few items to share with you from Hermes and it's kind of spring summer collection. Please stay with me. Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. Thank you so very much for clicking on this video. I have few items to share with you from Hermes. I would say it's kind of spring summer collection. Totally new piece of jewelry, new collection, totally new makeup items and some shoes. But before I start unboxing all of this, if you're into fashion, if you're into luxury, specifically if you're into handbags, there is no handbag today to share with you, but if you're specifically into handbags, please consider subscribing to my channel because I'm absolutely positive you're gonna find at least some useful information. Anyway, let's start unboxing. As I said, I have a piece of jewelry to share with you. This is actually some trial size makeup. I have a pair of shoes to share with you. And I have a makeup to share with you. So I'm gonna start from the makeup item, and this is new kind of I would say what do they call it on the website? Let me see. I actually did some snapshots from the website. And I saw obviously some makeup gurus already did review of these specific items. Clearly they're way better than I am. What do you call it? On the website they call it essential care oil. Essential care oil. So when I spoke with my essay, she says obviously you can use it just by tease, or it could be a topper on top of the. Oh, I hate these things when you cannot open. I already ripped the box. Okay, and this is I think one of the lightest colors. I think it's a light beige, and this is meant to be with kind of orangey essence. I would say it smells like orange. Oh, or some kind of, I don't know, tangerine or something. Kind of very soft. So this is as a topper. So it's absolutely nude, and I think it would be absolutely perfect for summer months, like, you know, sometime when you don't want to have any heavy makeup, but just kind of, especially I would say on a beach or any, you know, places where you don't want really any kind of heavy makeup, and it has such a pleasant taste. I actually love also mauve color. They have gorgeous mauve color, and I was considering to buy that mauve color, but I don't like the essence. It's kind of like almost tastes unnatural a little bit to me. I don't know. I didn't really like it. I love the color, but maybe I'm gonna overcome that you know, taste. But this one tastes absolutely beautiful, and as I said, it almost has no colors, just a little bit, especially if you kind of like either nude neutral skin tone or have little bit warm undertone. This will be absolutely perfect. So that was the first item. Absolutely love it. In fact, I already have couple of lipsticks from Hermes, and I really love their quality. So this is the piece of jewelry, and this is ta-da! This is my first let me just make sure that it's in focus. So this is my first click lock bracelet. And I mean, in fact, I don't have even click H, but this is click lock. It's a little bit bigger size and I absolutely love it. It's from the new collection this summer. And I spoke with my SA and she says that you kind of squeeze it and then turn it and it will open. So let me show to you how it's gonna look like on my wrist. So that's how it looks like. And I got it in size PM, which is the smallest size. Absolutely love it. Absolutely love it, guys. So the name of this bracelet on the website, Click Lock H Quadrich or Fill bracelet. So, and in fact, this is my first Click H, or I mean, this is actually click lock. So the click lock is a little bit bigger than click H. It's 2 centimeters in width, and as I said, my size, I got it size PM, and I absolutely love it. I think it's absolutely perfect for the summer months. Like, you know, with any white t-shirts or anything, it will look absolutely perfect. And I will show to you the reason why I got this, because I already have several Hermes bracelets, but mostly all of them in leather. But this is the first time I got it in enamel, and I absolutely love it, and I think it's perfect for summer. But the reason for that, because I got these shoes. I got these shoes and I absolutely love them. I absolutely love them. So clearly 2 dust bags. Okay, and I got Paris loafers. It's such a classic loafers from Hermes, and they are in white with the H obviously buckle at the front, and it's in palladium plated, and this bracelet also white with palladium plated, and I think it looks absolutely perfect together. Most likely also I'm gonna include the modeling shots of these shoes, and to be honest, I ordered on hold 2 pair of shoes. I ordered this one and I ordered royal loafers, and the royal loafers were with matching white hardware. But you know, when I tried this, I totally fall in love with the simplicity and you know, kind of comfort. One more thing, my feet is quite narrow, and I find that royal loafers are a little bit wider. I could be wrong, it could be my specific, like, you know, sensation when I tried on. Once again, if you already have the experience between royal and Paris loafers, please put your comments below. But my personal sensation from the first try is that royal loafers are a little bit wider comparing to the Paris loafers, and I decided to go with Paris. Such a simple, beautiful loafers. And as I said, wear this one. I have my also Hermes white belt, H white belt, and this bracelet, and it could be anything else. The handbag could be any colors that you want, the outfit could be any colors that you want, but as long as you have this accent of white for summer, it's absolute perfection. So I'm really happy that I got all these beautiful items for this upcoming summer, and I think I'm pretty much set, you know, with everything for summer, unless I'm gonna get offer of the handbag, you know, in my specific colors that I like, or maybe quota, which is looks like it's little bit challenging nowadays in our local boutique. But this is totally different topic. So that's about it, guys, for today. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you like anything, or if you have specific comments about either this essential oil or what they call lip topper, if you already have the experience with the click lock bracelet, how do you like it? Because as I said, mine is this very first one. The Paris loafers, as I said, it's also my very first Paris loafers. I love the name also. It's such a classic name, I would say, for Hermes, because Hermes, it's Paris. So really love this. Excited to wear. This is already my okay, I have 2 pair of boots. I have high heels, I would say mid heels sandals. I have 2 pairs of flip-flops. I have SPGs and these shoes. So this is already my 6 pair of shoes from Hermes, and so far I enjoy all the pair of shoes from Hermes. So that's about it, guys, for today. I hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.